This is a fucking case.
Iha week Panamana. Iha week Panamana. Iha week Panamana.
Frank, take your bag. Take your bag.
Ah, bros, thank you. Thank you very much.
No problem. Say I feel get your number now so that I can call you later now.
But yeah, no problem. Here's your phone.
Somebody had been away for 94 days.
Nozy, color, full in body. Go use agbada wear slippers.
No problem. I'll call you later.
Okay, thank you.
Wear suit on top bossas. Na color you go see.
I tell you now, the plan work. Oh.
Now?
She don't give me her number.
Serious?
Nah.
Correct.
You go update.
Later now.
This is why some of us, they call us
Chai.
Hello, beautiful lady.
Chai.
And I mean, that guy want to collect your number today. You were looking so beautiful today, so sexy. Yeah, I mean, your shape, everything. I feel like eating you up, baby.
this man.
Your ass, your yash, everything. I mean, I wish I feel all choppy, you understand?
Not be juju be that.
Hello? Hello, baby. Say something now.
Dissolve. Then Tiagasa, you think say they wise? You are a mumu man. Something way bad for issue. We just pray. This man, famished, hungry, sick. Look at it now.
Please, I'm going to number 14 Okurame Street.
Number 14 Okurame Street.
Yes.
Enough far now. Enough far. If you just go like this now, you understand?
Baby. Don't ask this guy anything, no.
Okay.
You know him?
He's my ex now.
Chai.
Don't ask him anything, please. Let's go.
Now your S.
Yes, he's a very useless guy.
I bet bros S. They go.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?
You know get money, they get S.
What?
What do you want use S do?
Chai.
Look at it now.
I don't blame people for disappointing you. I blame yourself.
Those couples, then they reign for the town now. Everybody don't know them.
Chai.
And at the yes, na tomorrow be their traditional marriage. Yes, and I go like go because you know say food, drinks, everything go day.
Chai.
Sorry.
I don't blame people for disappointing you.
This man.
Why are you here? My ex they do marriage for this village today. And that marriage it don't shake everywhere. Everybody they want go that traditional marriage. I want marry him for that traditional marriage. Marry him for today for this whole village. Make the marriage for scatter.
This man.
No problem, my son. But your money is 100,000.
You only you waka come.
I understand, but the thing is I never to get money like that. But I get like 100 naira for here. If you help me hold on, just do am. No worry, I go update you.
Oh yeah, bring am.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you. And the 100 naira be that.
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
Oh, Gachi! Oh, Gachi!
What? Chai.
Baba, why don't they fall my body?
Now the amount of rent where you pay for, might be that. You don't get money, you want cost rent for the whole village.
Chai.
This rent will continue falling on you till dry season comes.
What?
This was a cup of tea.
Chai.
If they go Zinger, if they go this place, now even road to go to I cannot take. Pass out.
Chai.
We must learn a lesson. Our people are only qualified to guide pipelines. Funny people.